Hello everybody, I gonna do a teardown today. This is an Aten 4-way video splitter duplicator. It's a VS94A, VS94A. I seen this at the junk store. It's old school. Figured, why not take it apart? Have some content. Try to mix it up a little bit other than chip programmers, right? Let's see what's inside one of these. These were used, don't know what this would have been used for, really. I don't know. Let's see, will it? Do I gotta take those off? Probably. Get a flat, get a blade and see if I can push it forward. There we go. The front comes off. Oh, there is some logic, it looks like, maybe in there. Okay, I just gotta go that way. There we go. Okay, we have some circuitry. I figured it would be just, you know, a simple board connecting all the outputs into one, but I think it's a little bit more than that. That's kind of that. There, 70HC14. Have up here regulator 7805. And I'm not too up on my logic, but probably nothing on the back side, but that's what's inside one of these. So we're at 3 minutes. Slow it down so you can focus and see. But if you like these little mini teardowns, let me know, and I will do more of them. But that is an A10 splitter. Have a good day.